Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be unboxing Kingdom Hearts mystery blind bag. And over here, at the back, they show these characters. And also, I bought this from EB Games. And usually it's $10, but since I got it for sale, I got it for $4. And here are all of the characters that you can get, but the last three over here show exclusive. And these three characters you can only get if the box is exclusive, like this one. Over here, it shows that it's exclusive, the golden word. And these last two ones, they seem like very heavy. But when I shake it, it feels light, so I'm probably going to get Heartless, the first one over here. I'm comparing between these two boxes. They don't show exclusive on the top, or the last three and exclusive. So yeah, let's unbox it. So when you guys open it, it'll show a black line thingy so that they don't show you what character is actually inside. So here are the three characters that I got from the box. And this one is called Roxas. And this one is called Riku. Finally, this one is called Sora. And I got 3 boxes, and one of them is exclusive. But, so you know that this is exclusive. And over here, I am supposed to get one of these exclusive figures. But instead, I got a common one, which is Roxas. So I do not know what's the reason that I didn't get the exclusive GameStop figure. But anyways, let's see the characters. So these 3 characters, they have high quality because of the details. Like the jacket, you can see the black squares, and the shoes, and the key. And that is probably why the normal price is $10. And if you guys like playing Kingdom Hearts games, you should definitely buy these figures. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in another video.